Alright guys, I look like crap because I'm super tired. I'm actually starting to get sick, which is horrible. I'm saying bye to the people in this house. Oh, I have to leave in like 5 minutes.
Nope.
What's that? I know. Pretty soon. Yeah.
Pugs.
I know.
Pugs. Hi guys.
Hi.
Put my head over here.
Okay guys, so I'm at the Los Angeles Metro. I've never been. I've only done like the New York, obviously, my vlog, and this one is actually not that confusing, but I'm trying to get to, where are we at now? I think I'm at Hollywood and Highland, I want to say. I have to take this train all the way to Central, and then take the blue train all the way to Long Beach. So yeah, it's not too complicated, but look at this, I have all my shit here. Whew. I'm literally sweating already. I even told you guys, I'm going on a cruise to Ensenada, Mexico. I'm so excited. I'm going with some of my family, and yeah, so I had to go basically from Hollywood to downtown LA to Long Beach. I took a tram. It was honestly so freaking scary, like going through Compton and through whatever cities are near Compton. I don't even know. Like it was pretty crazy. But yeah. So, I'm just here waiting for my family. I'm literally like an hour early, but whatever. Luckily, I made it. I'm alive. So now I just have to wait an hour. So, yeah. Was I gonna focus the whole entire time? Yeah, I'll catch that in a second. Okay, we're about to go on the boat right now. All aboard! All aboard! Alright, I'm so excited. I've never been on one. You've been on one. You and Jen. What, last year? Nope. Okay. Here we are. Oh my god, that's so funny.
Right here.
We're right here.
Wait, we are? Oh wow, okay, cool. Can you just hold this really quick? Oh. Oh, it's recording.
And the winner is
It's recording.
the best supporting actor and actresses,
It's
Kristen Williams.
Yeah. Here we go. This is our room. Yeah, wow.
It does seem smaller.
Whoa.
Ours seems smaller.
Hey. Hi. I just grabbed some food. Look at this. Oh wow, the hot tub's still open. You cannot see anything. You can see a few little boats out there. You don't see anything, just complete black. That is crazy. Guys, this is my first time like seeing or being in a different country other than the United States, and I feel like this is a good time to document this because I want to like travel and go places, and this is the very first time I'm like gonna be wow. Okay, so we're in Ensenada, Mexico. Wow. There's the Mexican flag. Look at that. happy right now because I am finally, for the first time in my entire life, leaving the country, and it feels amazing. Knowing, if you guys watch my videos, you probably know that I want to travel the world, I want to make vlogs, I want to share my experiences in different countries, in different cultures, and just show the world what it's like to be in certain places. And it would be an amazing experience for me to just try to go to different places and see what it's like, and share my experiences, exactly what I want to do. And of course, I've been all over the country, but I never really left the United States, and the very first place I'm going to outside of the United States is Ensenada, Mexico, which is where I am right now. So I've been on a cruise for the last couple days. It's all day today. We're gonna be in Ensenada, and then tomorrow morning we leave and go back to California, and then from there I go back to New Jersey. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm gonna show you around. But this is, so far, we docked this morning at like 7 a.m. We had, you know, some coffee, some breakfast. We're gonna actually leave in a little bit. But look how you see the Mexican flag over there. This is Ensenada. It's so beautiful. It literally just reminds me of like Southern California with the mountains and like, I don't know. It looks really pretty, and I don't really know what to expect, but I'm really excited. We're gonna walk around, maybe get some food, and, you know, buy some things, just, you know, shop around. Yeah, I'm freaking excited, so I'll catch you in a second. We're here in Mexico. Wow.
Stand next to it.
We're at a store right now, just picking up some blankets and some souvenirs, I guess, right now, but really cool store. Okay guys, so we're just walking around Ensenada right now. We just picked up a few things for some of our family. Billy and Nicole, who bought a few things. I still kind of want to get like a souvenir, maybe like a I don't even know, blanket or like some sort of bag. I kind of want to get a little bag, but yeah, we're just walking around right now. And it's so crazy right now. There's actually not a lot of people around here. You know, there's not a lot of people around here.
No.
You know, it's mainly like down the main street. So it's really cool. I actually really like this a lot. Hey guys, okay, so my dad and I, we just sat down. Wait, it's super loud, but we're gonna just sit down for a drink, margarita, and just relax. We got a whole bunch of stuff.
Souvenirs.
Yeah, I got a really cool bracelet. I'm gonna put this on. Yeah, we're just chilling. Okay guys, I just ordered fish tacos. I ordered 3 tacos, some salsa. But yeah, here it is. Cool. I'm excited. Buying some tequila in Mexico. But yeah, we're just heading back now to the cruise ship. It's still kind of early. It's probably like 2. But yeah.